Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this look, I'm going to start off, well, I already started off with my base, my foundation, and then I'm going in with my e.l.f. Concealer, and I'm just concealing and brightening places that I want to be brighter. Now I'm going to go ahead and start bronzing my face with my new favorite cream contour, or cream bronzer I should say. It's from ColourPop, and it's literally the best cream contour I've used, and it's so cheap. You guys need to try it. Now I'm going to go ahead and just set my face with my powder. Now I'm just going to contour with my Too Faced bronzer. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. Now for the eyes, I'm going to be taking my Morphe Hit the Lights palette, and I'm going to be taking this white shimmer color and just putting it all over my eyelid. Now for the fun part, I'm going to be doing my eyeliner, and I'm using my Maybelline liquid liner. This one's kind of like a felt tip, so it's easier for me to draw on my face with it too. Now I'm going to go ahead and start lining different areas of my eye. You guys can kind of do whatever you want, however many lines you want. I was just kind of winging it, so this is pretty much what I came up with. Alright, now that I'm done with the spider webs, I'm going to be taking black, and I'm just going to put this on my lower lash line. So this next part is kind of optional. You don't really have to do it. I kind of wish I didn't. You could just take individual eyelashes, and I just put them on my lower lash line. I honestly couldn't tell a difference. Now I'm just going to be taking my crystals, and I decided to use red and just putting them on each tip of the spider web. Now I'm going to go in with my cream colors, and I'm going to take this red and I'm going to put it on my waterline to make the look more creepy. And this doesn't irritate your eyes at all. I put it right near my eyes and nothing happened. Now for my lips, I'm going to be taking this red color by Urban Decay, and I'm going to take the same paintbrush and just start lining my lips with that. So I did decide to add a little bit of black in my lips. So I'm basically just going to take that and just blend it into the red.